What it do, what it do, and what it do. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Alethea and I thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you will push that subscribe button and that bell for notifications before you get on up out of here. Did y'all like how I walked? I walked it out. Anyway, and to my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for riding with your girl. I do appreciate you coming back for another video. Now that we've gotten all that out of the way, let's get into this video. So in this video, or this video, which sounds better? In this video, I am going to show you how I got this, I like to call it, I guess maybe sunflower, yellow daisies. The real, I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, so we'll know by the time I name this video. But I do have this awesome, at least it's awesome in my eyes, tutorial for you. Very easy to follow. I give you step-by-step instructions on this look that I'm rocking. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, let's get this party started. Let's see, what are we gonna prime the eyes with today? Let's use the Fenty. So I have been wanting to play around with some yellow, and that's what we're going to do today. We're gonna play around with some yellow. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl has been really bringing the makeup videos. I love makeup. I have a passion for makeup, and I was one of those people that kind of shied away from just really honing in on my makeup. I was one of those people that kind of felt like, okay, well, nobody's gonna watch me. I'm 40-something years old. They like the 30-something and the 20-something year olds. And then YouTube is so saturated with makeup people that do makeup. But then I thought about, wait a minute, there's space for all of us here on this platform. So I'm going to use palette called Picante, and it's a Karity palette, and I got this palette in a BoxyCharm box, and I do not think, no, I haven't. Here's what the palette looks like. There's not a mirror in this palette, so yeah, but I am going to use this palette for this look today, and the first color I'm going to take is a color called Dune. I'm just going to put the colors on the screen instead of just holding this palette up. But yeah, I kind of sold myself a little bit short worrying about the platform being saturated, but that term is used so loosely now when referring to things, because YouTube is like so big, and there's enough room for all of us here, so why not share my makeup talents or skills? Young and old could follow. All right, so then I'm going to use a color called Harvest. It's kind of orange in this palette, and I'm going to use this in my crease as well. So yeah, so I had to get out of my own head and stop hindering my own self. But you know, the thing about it is, what really gets me is I have so many people on my, not my Facebook like page, not the page that I have that is like the one that I have in my description box, but my personal Facebook page, and I post pictures and stuff like that, and people are always asking me about my makeup, and I've been sharing over there as well more and more, and people are not really watching the videos, but they ask me all the time about my makeup. So I'm like, why do you ask me about it if you're not going to support the channel? To darken up my crease a little bit, I'm going to take the color Bittersweet, and I'm just going to darken up this crease some, and I'm just going to carry it all the way in from the outer to the inner area, ever so lightly. So yeah, so they ask me all the time, if the people that ask me in my real life about my makeup, if they actually watched my videos, I could be bigger than what I am. But I saw this video once where this girl, and y'all already know I go back in with the brush, not putting anything on it, just to make sure to get rid of any demarcation lines. But this girl, this woman, whatever, I can't remember, made a video once and said, it's the people in your own city that are not going to support you. So next I'm going to go in the outer corner just a little bit more, and I'm going to use this color called Spicy just to kind of darken this area up just a little bit more. I want a little bit more dimension over here. All right, so, and without necessarily cutting the crease, I am going to take my paint pot in Soft Ochre by MAC. I think I have another one. Which one is this one? I have two. I have one in Soft Ochre and I have one in Quite Natural. Quite Natural is about to dry out. I need to start using it. Y'all, I put on my second set of falsies, my press-ons. Girl, they may not see me at the nail salon anymore. No. Oh yeah, just in case I didn't say this, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. Okay, so this paint pot is trying to mesh a girl up, but we're gonna work this thing. We're gonna make it do what it do. Y'all already know I'm gonna have to go back over that part right there, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna work with this side before I put the paint pot on the other side. And let me get my brush, and we're gonna use this color called Embers here in the palette. And oh yes, I like that. That color is so awesome. I like this color. All right, and so then because of the fact of that happening, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to go and take Bittersweet. I'm just going to go over this area with a Bittersweet. And I just put the product on the tip of this brush. And then let me go back. What did I do with the brush? Oh yeah, and let me go back and put just a little bit more of spice over here and blend those two together. Blend those two colors together so they can look like they're running into each other, you know, like so they can look gradient, like they're meshing. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to finish this eye and I'll come back and do this eye with you guys. All right, so now that I've gotten all that out of the way, I'm putting some glue on this other lash. So for my liner, and y'all know I told y'all in the previous video, if you watch the previous video, I don't know when it's gonna come up, but I talked to you all about my liners, and so my Urban Decay liners are crap. But I have this Too Faced Bulletproof Shadow Liner in the color Get Lucky that I'm going to use on my waterline. So now here's the thing, when I decided I wanted to use this color liner, this Karity palette does not have a color for me to use with this liner to do it the way I want to do it. So I pulled out my Too Faced, and what is this, Palm Springs Dreams palette. I think this is another one I got from BoxyCharm, and I'm using the color Swank right here in the corner, and I'm just going to put this on my waterline. All right, and then y'all, just as I've canceled BoxyCharm, you'll know about it, but they sent me an eyeliner, and I was just saying how I needed another felt tip liner. Corner highlight, I'm going to use the color Fuego from the palette. Just put that over in here, and that's enough. I don't need it too bright. And let me pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm using one of these little rinky-dink ones that came in a BoxyCharm box that I don't like, because I decided if I'm going to wear falsies, there's no need in me wearing my Benefit Bad Gal. happened with this right eye? All right, so let's contour and blush. All right, so for my contour, I am going to use True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance in light to medium. I've showed y'all this before. I'm going to use this contour color over here though. I'm always using the Sculpt color. I'm gonna use the contour color. So for my blush, I want to use this cream blush from Fenty, and this is the color Fuego Flush. Yeah, Fuego Flush. Haven't used it before, just got it, just opened it, swatched it a little while ago. So let's see. And with the cream blush, if you haven't used the cream blush, what I've learned since purchasing these cream blushes is you gotta make sure you pat it in and not rub it in, or you'll rub off your product. And then what I like to do once I do that is go and take my brush. I don't put any powder on the brush. I just kind of go over that just to kind of like seal it in. All right, and so for highlight, let's go back into the Black Radiance and use this highlight right here within this Black Radiance palette. I don't know why I'm going up there, but I just decided to do that today. For my lips, I'm going to use my favorite combo because I don't want anything too out there. I don't want a bold lip or anything. FF4 and my Juvia's Place Royalty, my Juvia's Place in Fumi. I promise y'all, this is my favorite lip combination. Just in case you forgot to subscribe, I don't even know what you're waiting on. So go ahead and subscribe before you get on up out of here. And like I said, hit that bell for notifications. Even those of you that have come back and watched 2 and 3 videos, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell as well. It's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna bite, and it is free.com. It's free. It's free. All day, every day. So go ahead and hit it. Yeah, go ahead and hit it. So anyway, I do hope you learned something from this video. And if there are any requests that you have or anything that you would like to see here on my channel, go ahead and leave those requests down in the comment section below. I really would appreciate it. Go ahead and leave your comments and let me know what you think. And give your girl a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share this video across all your social media sites and all that good jazz. And as I always say, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe. And I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.